So this is the schedule. We will start, it's a single phase election. Date of notification will be 10th of January, Friday. Last date of making nomination will be 17th of January. Scrutiny on 18th of January. Withdrawal 20th. These are the statutory periods of time which is given. Date of poll is 5th and counting is 8th, and 5th again we have very deliberately kept Wednesday. क्योंकि हम सोचते हैं सब दिल्ली वाले वोट करें, इसलिए इस बार भी महाराष्ट्र की तरह हमने इसको वेडनेसडे में रखा है. Entire election process after counting will be complete by 10th, and this is, we are doing elections in by polls also in Milkipur in UP and Erode in Tamil Nadu. Before you ask me why other by polls are not being done, let me answer it here. Save one question from you. You can ask another question. There are two constituencies in J&K which are also due for election, Badgaon and Nagarota. Because of snow conditions, we will do it later. We still have time till April. Before that, we will complete those elections. There are two more. One is Basirghat in West Bengal, parliamentary constituency, and one is Bisabadar in Gujarat MLA Assembly constituency. In both these cases, PC, both are PC, sorry. In both these cases, there are election petitions pending, and the rule is that if a election petition is pending, we do not do by-elections there. The moment EPs are decided, we'll be ready to do it, as was the case with Milkipur earlier.
Sorry, sir, Visavadar is AC
only. Visavadar is AC only, yeah, I know. So, friends, thank you very much. With this, I come to an end of this press conference. I would request, again, before ending, it's a festival which I am sure Delhi will celebrate in true spirits, and the campaign would be clutter-free, would not make the noises which are unwarranted. I request again that let Delhi vote with full participation. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir, for this very comprehensive briefing. Now, please raise your hands and we will come for the Q&A session. Let's start with the gentleman in the first row. Please, Micah, please move. First row.
नमस्कार सर, यहाँ सर, मैं मोहित दुबे हूँ न्यूज़ नेशन से सर. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि हाल में ही आपने चुनाव आयोग ने कंडक्ट ऑफ इलेक्शंस रूल्स में काफ़ी बदलाव किए हैं, और मेरा इससे सवाल यही है कि आखिर इसकी आवश्यकता आपको क्यों पड़ी, क्योंकि जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं, खासतौर पे जो विपक्ष है, जो दूसरे दल है, वो ये कह रहे हैं कि पारदर्शिता का डर था, इस वजह से चुनाव आयोग ने फैसला किया है. आपकी इंटीग्रिटी पे सीधे तौर पर जो है सवाल उठाया जा रहा है. सर, एक छोटा सा सवाल और है. मध्य प्रदेश में जो अभी नतीजे हैं उसको लेके कांग्रेस पार्टी और दूसरे जो सहयोगी दल हैं उन्होंने आरोप लगाया कि जो वोटर लिस्ट में जो बदलाव हुआ था, जो मत जोड़े गए थे,